There. The front row of my Honda Accord is clean. Now, I will start vacuuming the back row of my Honda Accord. Once I do that, I'll be done.
Well. Look what we have here. Scootaloo is vacuuming the interior of her Honda Accord here at Whistle Express Car Wash. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to electrocute Scootaloo here at Whistle Express Car Wash. Hey Scootaloo.
Ugh. Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. Can't you see I'm in the middle of vacuuming the interior of my Honda Accord here at Whistle Express Car Wash? How about you just leave me alone and let me do my thing?
Alright. But first, take this.
Ow 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 ow. Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. I can't believe you would electrocute me like that. That was extremely painful.
That's right Scootaloo. I did electrocute you. Take that you loser.
Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater.
Uh-oh. I don't like the sound of this.
Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. I just saw what happened here at Whistle Express Car Wash. You don't ever electrocute anyone, especially Scootaloo. Now Scootaloo is terribly injured and she has to go to the hospital thanks to you. That's it. Get out of this site and go home right now while I call your parents about this.
No.
Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. Are you fucked up to the brain or something? We can't believe you electrocuted Scootaloo at Whistle Express Car Wash. You are never allowed to electrocute anyone like that.
Your father's right, Dark Plasma Charlie the Anteater. Now Scootaloo is terribly injured and she has to go to the hospital thanks to you.
That's it, young man. You are grounded until Scootaloo gets released from the hospital. Go to your room immediately.
I hate my life so much.